Today we are making these cute little DIY pumpkin candles. What you'll need is some hot glue and a hot glue gun. You'll need some candle wicks from the craft store, a pumpkin container that has a lid, and then you'll need some candles that you can melt down. Let me show you how to make it. I took some hot glue and put it on the silver part of the candle wick, and then I hot glued that into the middle of the pumpkin container, and then I just held that in place for a second and let it adhere to the pumpkin container. For the candle itself, I did melt mine in the microwave. You could boil some hot water and melt the candle wax that way, but I found the microwave worked just as well. Once it was cooler to the touch, I carefully poured the hot candle wax into my pumpkin container and I let that dry. I used some skewers and just kind of pushed them a little bit together with the wick to hold it in place while it was drying. And look how cute this is! Now I have a cozy pumpkin candle for the fall season. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more DIY and home decor ideas coming your way for this cozy fall season. I hope that you'll find lots of inspiration this season as we decorate together.